Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law here. I am a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. And today I want to talk to you about Lyft car accidents or other ride-sharing car accidents, such as like Uber and Lyft and taxi cabs, etc. So if you're a passenger in a Lyft car and you're injured in a car accident, you have the rights to personal injury damages against the either the driver of the car, the Lyft driver. If it was their fault that caused the car accident and you were injured, you have a personal injury case against their insurance company. Now there's multiple insurance companies involved in these situations usually, because the Lyft driver will have their own insurance that protects them personally for the car, and the commercial insurance for the Lyft, commercial insurance as well, that you can go after. So in those situations you can go after both of those parties, and they have mandatory minimums of insurance for both coverage, and you can go after both of those possibly, depending on the situation. Now also, since you're a passenger in a car, you're also entitled to PIP, personal injury protection insurance. This insurance coverage will pay for your medical bills as you go. So it will cover your chiropractic, physical therapy, hospital bills, family doctor bills, etc. As you seek treatment. When in a normal car accident case, you're not afforded those policies and those rights to pay for the medical treatment as you go. The defendant in a lot of the situations won't pay for anything until you settle the case. So in most situations, you won't see your medical bills paid until the end then in those situations. Now if the Lyft driver ran into you, it's a normal car accident injury case, and you just go after the Lyft driver's insurance, whether they're on the clock actively looking for a rideshare person to pick up, or whether they're on their own personal time. That kind of dictates what insurance you can really go after at that point. If they were actively looking for a client or to pick up somebody, then you would be able to go after the Lyft insurance itself, or Uber insurance, or other ride-sharing companies' insurance for personal injury damage that you suffered, including medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Now, if they were on their own time, then they weren't actively looking, then you'd go after their own personal insurance and go after them for those damages like that. If you're looking to pay for medical treatment while you're waiting for that settlement time to determine what your injuries are, what the medical bills are, etc., and lost wages, to figure out what your case is worth, you have some options to pay for your medical treatment. You can use your own personal injury protection insurance. You can use your medical insurance. You can treat on a lien. A lot of chiropractors will do that, as long as you have a personal injury lawyer representing you for your car accident injury case, so they know that they're going to get paid back out of the settlement. So you have a lot of options in these cases. I know it's kind of been known that the insurance companies for Lyft and Uber and other ride-sharing companies are very difficult to deal with, especially as a individual. But as a personal injury lawyer, I've had some good success going against these ride-sharing companies and getting normal settlements and proper compensation that you would against other insurance companies as well. So if you've been in a car accident while being a passenger in a Lyft, Uber, other ride-sharing car service, or you've been hit by one of them and it was their fault, give me a call. I get free consultations. My number is 206-850-6716. And for more information, you can visit www.lawsharing.com.